Hello, welcome. We have a question on indices that lead into simultaneous equation. So we are solving for the x and y unknown variable. 2 exponent 3x equals to 8 exponent y minus 1. And also 3 exponent x plus 2 equals to 1 over 9 in the bracket raised to the power 1 minus y. So first of all, you'll be dealing with the indices aspect. So picking the first one, we have 2 exponent of 3x equals to 8 exponent y minus 1. You know, under indices, what we do is we try to manipulate with base and exponent. I can also change 8 to become the base of 2. That is 2 times 2 times 2 give us what? 2 exponent 3. So 2 exponent 3 can replace 8, meaning this become 2 exponent 3x equals to 2 exponent 3, which is representing 8, then to the power y minus 1. And we know that under indices, when you have these two powers out here, they are multiplying. So I can have my 2 exponent 3x equals to 2 exponent 3 into bracket x minus 1. Can you see that we have the same base? So now we can equate the exponent. So what do we see? The bases are going to be cancelling. Then we take 3x is equals to 3y if you open minus 3 times what? Okay, let's have it this way. 3 into bracket y minus 1. 3 into bracket y minus 1. So in this case, we can see 3 is common. So we divide by 3. So if we divide by 3, we are going to have 3x divided by 3 equals to 3 into bracket y minus 1 divided by 3. So x will be equals to y minus 1. Since we want to find the variables, we can push the y back to the left, making the negative 1 stand at the right. So this becomes x minus y equals to negative 1. That is our first equation. Looking at this is unknown equals this. This was positive from the right. So transfer to the left become negative. So if we take the second step, which is going to be 3 exponent of x plus 2 equals to 1 on 9, or exponent of what? 1 minus 9. You know, if I have 1 over any number, I can write it a reciprocal of that number, having a negative exponent. So maintaining this will be 3x plus 2 equals to, if I have 3 exponent 2, give us 9. But because it is having 1 on 9, we have a negative exponent, still having 1 minus 9. So this in a bracket represents this. Similarly, we can also see that these two factors will multiply. So let's repeat 3x plus 2 equals to 3 exponent minus 2 into bracket 1 minus what? Y. Do you see we have the same base? So we cancel and pick the exponent, meaning x plus 2 should be equals to minus 2 times 1 minus 2 minus 2 times minus y plus 2y. Now let's push the variable all to the left, constant to the right. So x will maintain, positive 2y will become negative 2y equals to, we already have a negative 2 at the right, positive 2 from the left become a negative 2. So that gives us x minus 2y equals to minus 4. So now let's see, we have x minus y equals to negative 1 equation 1. X minus 2y equals to negative 4, equation 2. So we are solving the two equations simultaneously. Now we can eliminate since x is having the same coefficient. So if we subtract, we can get rid of the x. So we are going to have equation 2 minus equation 1. So x minus x, that will give us 0, right? Then I'll be having minus 2y minus negative y. We know negative will cancel. That simply means we are having minus 2 plus 1. What do you think we get? We get a minus 1 times the y. That will give us minus y equals to, here is going to be minus 4 minus negative 1, which become plus. So what do? We are going to have this to become minus 4 plus 1, which also give us a negative 3. So this becomes negative 3. But what am I looking for? I'm looking for y, not the negative. So we divide through by negative 1, negative 1. So y will be equals to 3. So now that we know variable y, we can substitute into either equation 1 or 2 to find the other counterpart. So now we are going to put y equals to 3 into equation 1. I am picking equation 1. So x minus y, which is now going to be 3, equals to negative 1, already there. So here we are sending this to the other side, so x will be equals to the landlord negative 1, the negative become a positive 3, so x will also be positive 2. So therefore, x is 2 and y is what? 3. So if you put that value back into, even from here, if you put 2 here, put 3 here, you get minus what? 1 by subtraction. And if you put it there also, if you put the value of x to be 2, that will give you 2 exponent 6, because 2, 3, 6. Here is going to be y, which is going to be what? 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 exponent 8 exponent 2, that's 64. 2 exponent 6, 64. The value will still remain the same. So this is one way by which we can have an indices question that will lead you into a simultaneous equation. I believe you get the concept. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are not. Don't forget to share the video for it to get to a lot of people so that we have a big community to continue to learn with. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.